Hello there. We're going on a spring change, it sounds like. Should be there in a few minutes, and we'll get right back at you. Every house here, every house in the world has a spring. You'll be changing those if you're the guy in the area, making lots of money.
Back to one that looks like that.
Yeah. So. Put up those head plates up on the track. I took down that piece that went across here, and I put these head plates up. You see these head plates right here? Put another one right there. And now I'm gonna put the shaft up, and I'm gonna mount the spring, a regular spring. This is called the spring conversion. And then we come over here, and then this is all the stuff we took out. This is the old TorqueMaster. That spring shaft is gonna go right up here. And that old setup they had is laying over there, if you can see it. That one gone? Here. They're wrapped, they're up there. Here's the spring now, it's up there. I use the same cables that were on the TorqueMaster. Don't put any extra. Coaching my son. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And that's the job we just did for the spring conversion. It was actually $1,450, he gave us $1,500. Top panel's kind of bending, so we told him you need to strut on it because the new spring on there, it's pushing the panel and the panel's kind of cracking. So we're gonna put a strut on top. We're gonna do that tomorrow. And there you go. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe at the bottom there. If you guys want to get into this business, we have a free lesson for you below. Just click below, watch the free lesson. We'll see you in the course.